Good morning. Meaning. Good morning. Good morning. Meaning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Which my bad. It's early in the morning, you know, kind of 7 o'clock. Right before charity. Meaning, Actually, which my bad. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch the videos, okay? Share with your friends. Follow us on Facebook, Chaka Leb Acholi. Follow us on YouTube, Chaka Leb Acholi. Ati bene TikTok to Chaka Kang hyphen South Sudan. Apoy. Please follow, please share, please like, engage. Apoy. Meaning, man Jacqueline Kango called man show me Chaka Leb Acholi. Segment me Kwan Leb Acholi. Back one giddy wall a war at Chiropanino, like in this morning before I chatted to teach I made a Kwan or at least 2 pages. Look me a bong, yeah, bog there. Okay, doing my knock. Okay, not where Kwan and I went in one sitting. Okay. Excuse my street is early and can walk. So I made a Kwan last time I made a Kwan in a session macaroni. Akwano Kima wrote in my me a bong or terra to me a meeting chief make it chief omini okuja giving your local with each other. There's a language barrier. Jo abong lolo too. I think Kitaka Jo actually, but he doesn't actually he doesn't share that information. Podi, okay. Gikenyune get a look at sign language. Chief Omini, I'll try to share gina. It gigina. Chum. Pienginge chumeko chume bicho chuma chuli. Equire hojo abong equire ginyo chameko. So instead, gimar marakongo lotuko ne lotuko marakongo. So gibiro marakongo mommy gini kongo gipino no kumonone. Yala no dong gimiro chiro chief Omini miro me it gifengo romi wagi take it lakin jolo tugo kin magi bino keregi kinanti ngori kujane le tugune dum yala gibere ka jinyo kami bero gi dana tu mati ma pol yala le tugini dum so kabere ne ding before as you remember gichero gi migrate around yala chere ayi lakin ayi the whole space the team ati gi chaga boyere do gi doctrine you got mo gone chalo molong gi nganga gene loti yokuya. So because pain to get ding, gikwera upon your gift, moon of Hollywood Romini, you wanna only to a doom, better to a ding. It's okay, you know you keep gift, moon me it one equal in my bear. So Kagi Kenyan on get your word to be okay. I get Kenyan, okay, last session. And I'm a child, you can you come up board yenny. I wanna maybe just 2 pages before I charity child. Manok this. Kon maybe kon guilty no get war one okay and please make sure to like, comment, share, leave a message under this video if you want to join or you have a comment about if you understand it better than me, leave a comment. If you want to be a guest, leave a comment or send me a private message or DM on Jacqueline Kango Cott. You can send me a message on my personal Facebook, South Sudan, personal Facebook, or even official Facebook page. Me show any little Chaka Leb Acholi segment any tier within Chaka Leb Acholi segment. No little Kwan Leb Acholi. Okay, so I told you joining on it. Inge due chill mokene road omini doge ochwalo la kwena bot rot abong. Okay? La kwena ochiro waje bore ni roro mini ochwalo wek awach bori ni en mira bino kalimo wun. Okay? Roro ima iyo gamo bot la kwena ni. Wu wach bot rot omini ni an pe atie gi lok mapol la rema tuero bino kaneno luok mera. Okay? Yala la kwena pa rot omini odok pajo. Ikar magin o igang gino wacho bot rot ni ruro imayo wacho ni ituer chiro kalimo luok mere en petie gi tam marach ikomi. Okay? Ing'e ni na ariyo ruro mini okwanyo dano pirario gi wi piradek kid ma neno ruot imai mi abong oworo kwere ka wacho bot gi ni an dong amiro chiro kalimo larema chi amiro wute an igang mere. Okay? Dano megi peo kwero lopa ruot gi odigo chon ma piny dong otiro ru ruot iliri gi luak mere omako yo machiro idok kulu kimaru. Okay? Ruot kitaha oloko lak tong mere odok ang'ech man mi nyuru ni en ipere gi lok gin ki jo abong. Okay? Lo kwena matie idok gang ojolo ruot iliri gi woro madit ka otero gin bot ruot imai. Okay? Ruot imai obero gi yom chuny bene mi neno lareme en dong omiyo bot gi kabero ka wacho bot la kwena mere achiel ni kel pi gi kuon bot lotino kitaka. Okay? Chon gi chon dana milo tugu omaro mat maro kongo gi agulu abino. Kid ma man obero chik megi. Lotina bong opiro kongo idi agulu abino gin otero ochibo inyim lotino kitaka. Okay? Gin obero oromo abino kongo. Gin obero oromo abino kongo majo kitaka obero tung ching achwich kalotino abong obero tung ching acham. Okay? Lotino abong okelo awal or wet pien ilobo lotugo dano maro kongo gi awal or wet gin bene. If I'm saying that wrong, what ira? Awal or wet nengane or wet or wet. Okay, what's the difference between that and regular awal? Awal is a calabash. If you don't know actually, awal is a calabash. They use that to do many things, whether it's to serve food or to serve alcohol or water, whatever the case might be. So calabashes at the time, they use it as a bowl or a serving dish, somewhat. Okay. Okay. So the Lotugo or the Abong people like to use this calabash to drink alcohol or any type of liquid, I guess. Excuse me. Now, gin bene obero katamoni jo kitaka bene mar kongi awalo wet. Ikar malotino kitaka oneno awalo wet tie idi kongo gino wachuni. E chik mewa mi achuli dano pe maro kongo gi awal or wet. Ento katie obit miero wukel bodwa. Okay? So gikwero ne awale ho gimiro bit. Okay? La kwena chiel pa bong ikarma winyo lokman o lara chut I ot ka okelo obit a beach ma o jwayo gi kweo nen mata dok bini well bing is that what he's saying bing kada ko ta bero bing nini mata bing is that the correct way of saying that? Please leave your comments. Okay. Manok kan jo odonyo. No, I'm sorry. Manok kan cho odonyo kamat ma iwinyo pin bero ne. Chungi yom donko. Gotino kitaka bero ka maro kongo. Gilbit. Kid ma chick actually miro ento lotina bong o bero ka maro kongo. Gia wal or wet mata kid ma chick pa to miro. Okay, so they have the custom of drinking out of different things, either the calabash or a bit. I don't know what a bit is. Okay, please leave a comment. King what a bit is. Thank you. Makongo pori pe omaho wangcho. Okay, rod imai oter lareme iolet enoquanyo nyok diel madit gi buong diel omio bore. Rod iliri peo quer mich pa lareme enogamo nyok gi buong diel man minyuru yom chwiny mere bot lareme. Rod iliri okwanyo kuot itong maparapat adek. Tong ikaba iliri no lueri gitong larwi omio bot rod imai. Rod no kuot pa chuli nakajui inongo tie gi lalem itere. Ento kuot pa rod excuse me. Kuot pa rod omini omio. I'm sorry. Ento kuot pa rod omini omio bot la remeni peregi lalem itere. Ikarma rod iliri gi rod imai otiro. Logo mich megi gino dok ka mere gi chaka. Okay. Nyonamo. That's the other word for chaka. Okay. Inge namu pi wang chawa malach rod iliri dok omio poch mere bot wot imai ka waje bore ni gindong gimiro dok pajo rod imai obedo ki poch madit bot rod iliri pi bino megi kalimo luak mi abong ka omere gi wacho bore ni lima chaloman miero omere inyim pien kelo winye gigin matut ikindano. Mi ario weko luak mi abong punyo Leb Acholi o yoro yot. Okay. Kala chin rori maio moro ching la reme ka rori leri o chaka wot widok pacho. Okay. Kid ma wodong tie matek ikin kitaka gi abong. No, sorry. Kid ma wat dong tie matek ikin kitaka gi abong. Lotina bong omere gi leko diangi. Megi iteng poro pajo kitaka. Okay. Ento kari bed wat tie matek ikin abong gi kitaka. Wanongo ni rod omini chwinye pori pe tie mayom. Kidma la reme puri woro monero. Okay, he's not happy that the Kitaka, that the Abong or Lotuko people are still walking around wandering naked. Okay, because the Acholi people had, not clothing, but they used la, which is animal skin, to cover themselves. So they didn't walk around naked like the Latu or the Abong people who are Aba from Aba. Okay. Okay. Um. Okay. Rodomini gi luak mere pe o wacho ni pe nen be tetwal karot abong wuro monero inyim luak. Pi Lokman Rodomini ogoyo la diel maling ka ing'e dwe achiel en ochwalo la diel man bot rot imayi wek en orugi. Okay? What do you think is going to happen? Is he going to accept Rugula? Wile mirni biri monero. Okay? Ikarama okelo la. What time is it now? Ikarama okelo la diel bot rot imayi en peo kwero. Ojolo mich palareme gi yom chwin. Ento okwero Rugula wako. Otero okano I ot ka en omere gi wood monero. Okay? Inyim Latina bong. Okay. Chi ka root imai miro karo waho ikindano mokene aparapat. Gina bong en kwanyo, I'm sorry. Kadana mokene mapat gia po abong en kwanyo la rugu kachiro kwere ikin luak. Okay, so when he's going somewhere away from home, he does use the la rugi come ko bedi monero. Pakati gang gilotino abong rugu gimoko. Okay. Ikarmalotina bongo neno ni road megi rugula diel. Gindong otamni kima road dong rugula diel man bene nyuruni rugula be. Okay. Mana ye look ma overlutino a bong mod o chaha goyola diri mi ruga kit pa road. Okay. Kala chin gin bene otamani penen bete twal bodgi mi rugu la diel ikarma gin kara waho ikindano keken. Ento bero be mo karo ka gin bene rugu la mi bero igam. Okay. I'm gonna read maybe one more paragraph. Got you how you teach. All right, you guys. This is a large paragraph, but I'm okay. We'll leave your comments, like, share, for Lotina bong kari bit what mat sorry. Lotina bong kari bit what matek oberutie ikingi ki jo kitaha ginpe obero kapurporo gi Lutino kitaha itu achel. Ento idwemi kayo bell gin kwanyo with bell tero bod rori mai kit ma chikpa lo tuku miro. Pien chikpa lo tuku wajani. Lua kao kayo bell gin miro o te bell mi achiel bod rot ma en obigo la ikum bell man wek chum o chehi ma be I mohama nyin. Lotina bong dong kao kayo bell ki poro gin kwanya with bell mi achiel gin tero bod rot megi ka with bell mokene gin mayo bot no gin mio bot rot kitaha. Okay. Lotino kitaha ma neno jami ma lotin abong obedo katimo bodgi wala bod ruot abong kachiel gi ruot omini gin bene ochako lubo kit chik man kwo man manyien ma lotino kitaka gi abong obedo kwede oweko lotino kitaka okelo lotino abong pacho ki dok kulu kimaru ka ruot omini omiyo bodgi tim bokoro. Okay, bokoro wala bokoro omiyo igi bokoro. Okay, wegin oge ot wala oge iye man bene aye kit ma oweko tim bokoro odoko tim pajo abong lotin abong dong ogero itim bokoro ento inge mwaka manok gino nongo ni ngom mi tim bokoro pe cheko chom pilop man oweko abong odak wako ilul. So they were giving bokoro when it came to bokoro. You know, the land in Bokoro is not fertile enough to grow crops. So they left and went to Lul, Luul, Lul. They went to Lul. Abong Ori, Ilul, Pimwahama Pol, Gikan Gin Odak e Alia Nyop Palotaka. Okay, you Abong were from above. Gi aro gi Kenyu, gi agi Lul. After gi bedo Muhammad Paul gi chera ho Alia Nyop Palotaka. Lotina bongo bedo manoki Alia Kagino dak igot loti kamagin onongo iye luak ma obo mo kenatie so gi were gi doctor ko yo gi Alia Nyop Palotaka gi chera do loti making a join the rest of obo mo kena ki got loti Lotina bon kachiel gi Lotina obo gino dak ilul doto ika bedo manene Lotina abong kong oberie manin Lotina abong kong oberie so gi doctor oto ilul so gi were madung ha okay Lotina abong okero komgi ikom Lotina obo gino bedo mabe idilu ka inge moha manok gino odak igot pakwa jobo pe ori igot pakwa lachien gino odak igot malaya ka magin obedo iye pi mohama ramo ario nyo adik kagi kany gino dak idok kulu ayi. So he's going back to explain how he ended up in Ayi again. Giwer ki agi Ayi nin jo abong agi Ayi gi wani tiri ki wor gi wera gi binong job. Bodo to gi wera to gi doctor go Ayi. Ayi as you know eventually mun kama actually TM. Okay, agi kenyo abi kwano kun mokene. Okay. Abi kwano kun. Yikanye. Tech, please leave your comments. I know it's early in the morning. There's nobody on live. Don't take your teach. I'm ring long teach. So please like, comment, share. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Anapoya. Anyinga Jacqueline Kango Caught. At Facebook do South Sudan. At TikTok as Chaka Kang dash South Sudan. Yala Facebook page, me official channel ngani Chaka Leb Acholi and Kwan Leb Acholi T Chaka Leb Acholi. Please follow us on Facebook and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Chaka Leb Acholi. Anapoa Tech. We'll have a good night, good morning, good evening, Good afternoon, wherever you are. And I hope to read again tonight. Um, and then I'll talk to you guys all later. Thank you so much. Aqua.